How to change the aspect ratio inside Davinci Resolve 20. Right click in your media pool, select timeline and create a new timeline. After selecting it, a new window will pop up, and in here you want to uncheck this field which says use project settings. Then select format, which is right here, and then click on the drop down menu onto the timeline resolution. And timeline resolution is responsible for the aspect ratio. Every resolution is having their own aspect ratio and you can change it from here. It is already have a built-in timeline resolution, which are one of the most popular ones. You can also check the field use vertical resolution. That way you can create YouTube shorts, TikTok and Instagram reels, making an aspect ratio of 9:16, which is the opposite of the HD 16:9. And if you don't want that, you can go back and uncheck that field, and now you're having the default one, which is the HD. And also on the top of the timeline resolution there is a custom, and you can customize your own resolution and create an aspect ratio of your liking. I hope this video was helpful. You can also check out this one right here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.